Hello everyone, you are on the Fix Zone channel. Today we're going to show you how to watch Canadian Netflix on your Mac. It's easier than you think. First things first, you'll need a VPN. A VPN lets you appear as if you're browsing from another country. Open your web browser and search for a VPN of your choice. For this example, we'll be using IPVanish. You can find a special discount using the link in the description or the pinned comment below. To download IPVanish, hover over Apps in the top navigation bar and click on Mac. On the Mac download page, click Download App and choose where to save the installer. I'm saving it to my desktop. Once downloaded, open the installer. Drag and drop the IPVanish logo into the Applications folder. It might take a few seconds to install, depending on your Mac speed. Once IPVanish is installed, you can close the installer and even delete it if you want. Now, open IPVanish. I'm using Launchpad. Because it's the first time opening it, you'll get a prompt. Click Open. You'll be taken to the login screen. Enter your account details and log in. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, remember to use the link in the description for a significant discount. When you log in for the first time, you'll be prompted to create a VPN configuration. Click Allow. Now you can start using the VPN. But remember, we want Canadian Netflix. Open your web browser and go to Netflix. Sign in and choose your profile. I found that this works more reliably on Chrome than Safari, so I'm using Chrome. Minimize the web browser, then open IPVanish. Click Locations in the left-hand menu. Find a Canadian server. As you can see, there are several to choose from. Pick the one closest to you or with the least amount of load.
I'm choosing Montreal.
After a few seconds, you'll be connected to the Canadian server. You'll now be browsing the internet as if you're in Canada. Minimize the VPN, go back to your Netflix webpage, and refresh the page. After a few seconds, the page will refresh and you'll be browsing the Canadian version of Netflix. See? It now says, Top 10 TV Programs in Canada Today. Just select what you want to watch and enjoy. Don't forget to click the link in the description or pinned comment for an exclusive discount on IPVanish. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.